There's a little inner voice, or maybe it's a big screaming voice inside of you that's like, I feel like I'm capable of being more, I'm capable of doing more, I'm capable of having more in my life. You are. You don't have to go out and change the world. It's not about changing the world. You go inside and you go change yourself first, and then all of a sudden your world is going to look different. The process of metamorphosis that caterpillars go through to become a butterfly requires a full breakdown of what was there before to rebuild something new. So that's why I'm getting over my own fears of putting myself out there, because I know you. I believe in you already, and I haven't even met you. I know how powerful you are, and I haven't even seen you. And it's there for you if you decide. And that decision is today. That's you saying yes to that future amazing vision of you. The journey starts with this step right here, right now.